You need a Dynamics 365 training solution that will fit in around your busy life. An on-demand course from AXcademy will teach you everything you need to know to pass your Microsoft certification exam and how to use Dynamics 365 finance and operations effectively in your everyday role. Better still, you can learn from wherever you are and at any time that suits you. On-demand courses are delivered online through short interactive lessons via our flexible virtual learning environment, available 24/7. Developed to suit a variety of learning styles, this comprehensive training is delivered through a combination of videos, presentations, hands-on practices and quizzes. AXcademy on-demand courses have been developed by world-leading experts in Dynamics 365 finance and operations. You can be confident that you are getting the best quality and most up-to-date training around. You'll also find out how to get access to a fully working Dynamics 365 finance and operations training environment free of charge so that you can get hands-on practice to enhance your learning experience and develop skills to use in the workplace. If you're studying for a certification, we'll include the Microsoft official practice tests where available, so you can get as close to the real exam experience as possible. Our expert trainers have decades of experience both teaching and working with Microsoft Dynamics, and they recognise the challenges businesses face. You'll find our on-demand training has been developed with this in mind and will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to apply in real life, right away. Start your D365 FO learning today at AXcademy.com.